Hey YouTube, this is General Expert, and what I'm going to try to do today is give you an inside view of the optical viewfinder on this OM10. A first-person view for all you gamers out there. But so here we go. Alright. So I'm going to flip it on. Let's focus on that real quick. So I'm going to flip it on, and what this does is turns on the LED light meter inside the lens. You can see my setting there. It's at 400 ASA, which is also ISO. And I'm sitting at 1.8 on the aperture. So let's go ahead and look through this lens here. See if I can't get this thing to allow me to focus while I'm doing this. Okay, so you can see the shutter speed on the left hand side along with the red LED telling you how fast the shutter is going to be going, and right now we're at 1/1000th of a second because there's quite a bit of light coming in there. I want to show you also the crosshairs. That's what I call them. But you can see right there how when it's not in focus, it doesn't line up. When it is in focus, it lines up. It's kind of how you can tell if it's in focus. But anyway, so yeah, the LED on the left-hand side, depending on the amount of light, it shows you. Let me see if I'm trying to get a better view here for you. Depending on the amount of light, it shows you. Let's see if I can look at the wall. There we go. Okay, it shows you what your shutter speed is going to be. So there is a manual shutter speed adapter for this camera, so you can set the shutter speed yourself. But this camera is set on auto, and the shutter speed is adjusted by the camera itself. So that little red LED you saw that just turned off, it has a safety, battery safety, I guess. After 90 seconds it shuts off, and all you do is you touch this little piece of metal that's right next to the shutter button, and it pops back on. So there you go. It's 1/160th of a second. I'm going to go back to the daylight, show you how it goes right up to 1/1000th. So anyway, that's a first-person view look at this shutter here in the Olympus OM10. Thanks, guys.